Right, welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can save any web page as an app or install it as an app on your computer. Let me just give you an example of how this thing goes. If you look at my desktop, you can see that there are some icons of application that have been installed. Now, what if I want to install a particular website as an app on my PC so that anytime that I want to open the app, I'll just go straight forward? Now, to do that, you just have to enter the URL or the website address. So let's assume maybe I want to use ChatGPT. So chatgpt.com. Now, this is ChatGPT. So if I want to install ChatGPT as an app on my desktop or my laptop, this is how you go about it. Now, if you are using Chrome, this is very easy. So if you don't have Chrome browser, then please download or install it from here. So just go straight to the three dots here. So when you come to the three dots, now just come to cast, save and share. So over there you see install page as an app. So when you tap on this one, it will give you this open new window. So this is the name that is going to be. So I'll just click on install. And the moment I say install, now this has been installed on my desktop as an app. Now let's verify it from here. So when you go to the desktop, you can see it, an icon created here for you. So if you want to launch ChatGPT, you just double click on it and then it will open the ChatGPT as an app directly on your computer. So you can do this thing to install a lot of websites as an app on your computer. Maybe if it's a desktop or a laptop, you can do that. So the simple procedure is that just go straight to the browser and then enter the website address. So let's assume maybe Gemini that I want to install as an app. So when I go to the Gemini website, then I'll go to the three dots here. So I'll come to this side and then I'll just install page as an app. So the moment you do that, you will see this and then you click on install and then automatically it will create a new window tab for you. So when you close it and then you go to the desktop, so you can see the Gemini have been installed as an app. And then you can quickly launch it anytime that you want, straightforward, without you remembering the website address or whatever that you put. So feel free, let me know in the comment section. You can do this and install a lot of web pages or website as an app on your computer so that anytime you want to launch it, you can just double click straightforward and go to it. Now, let me know if this video has been very helpful. Just give it a thumb up and don't forget to share this video to help others. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.